Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. It's Imabet TV, where we make, review, break, fix stuff here. Today, as you can see, we're gonna fix a fan, and in this case the fan is not working. We try to spin it out and it's not spinning, so probably we're gonna diagnose what could be the problem. Maybe something is broken, or something needs replacement, or maybe it's from the motor. Yeah, we can only find out after opening, so stay tuned, stick with us. As you can see, this is the capacitor. So most often in situations like this, we feel like maybe the capacitor has an issue. So let's see. Yeah, we'll check it out, see if it's the capacitor's issue or probably something else. If the pin is moving, then probably we may say it's a capacitor. But if the pin is not moving, you see this place, this area right here, there's something inside there called brushing. That brushing makes it easy for the fan to spin. If it's not spinning, then probably there's an issue with the brushing. So let's open it and see what we can do. feels like the bushing is the problem here. Yeah, it doesn't want to turn, or it's worn out, so the bar cannot ride smoothly in it. So this is what we're going to do. We'll fix in some oil, right, just to lubricate it. So after lubricating it, then we try it again. Yeah, normally it should spin even without any hassle, but it looks like it's even hard to spin. So before we attack the capacitor or check it out or do anything, let's lubricate this part of the fan. Remember, it's just the brushing, nothing else but just the brushing. Okay. Alright, so let's spin. Okay, good. It looks like it's spinning. It's free now. Yeah, the oil is making it free now. Good job. Yay! The fan is working. Exactly. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.